So welcome all. In this session we are going to discuss about Sketch Expert, which comes under SolidWorks Intelligent Feature Technology. It has numerous experts option, that is Sketch Expert, Fillet Expert, Feature Expert, DIN Expert, Draft Expert, and also the Mate Expert. In this session we are going to discuss only about the Sketch Expert. So for that I'm making a file to open. I'm going for the part, selecting a particular plane. So I'm drawing by selecting a rectangle, I'm making a sketch. So you can see the sketch is fully blue color. It says it's an underdefined. So we have to add some more dimension to make the sketch to be fully defined. So going for the smart dimension, I'm adding the length of the rectangle as 100 and the breadth of the rectangle as 80. And this length is 40 and the height of this is also the same, 50 or something. You can see the difference that the blue color changes to black color. It says the sketch is fully defined. When I add more dimensions, as like you see in the screen, that is for this to this length, it says adding this dimension will make the sketch over defined. That is, the sketch is defined with the required dimensions. When I add more dimensions, that is the extra dimension for this, automatically the SolidWorks will say it's an extra dimension added. So when I give OK, make the dimension driven, when I press OK, it will be a reference dimension for me. The sketch will be fully defined. I can go for the further actions. But instead of that, when I give the position dimension again 140, when I go with the dimension of leave this dimensions driving, when I press OK, it tells me the sketch is over defined and click here to resolve the conflict. The SolidWorks automatically recognizes there's a problem happened and it gives me the solution automatically. So when I click this over defined, it gets into the Sketch Expert option. Here comes the Sketch Expert option. By this option, I can ask the problem diagnose, that is automatically, or also by the manual repair. When I go for the diagnose option, it suggests me the solutions whether which can be chosen by me, that is which dimensions can be deleted. Here I have one of 25 solutions. Whether first solution is whether I can delete this 40 dimension, second one is I can delete this 140 option. You can see the mark, red color mark over here. It says this dimension can be deleted, and this one is distance, this 100 can be deleted, or this midpoint, or even the relation can be deleted to make my sketch to be fully defined. So I can go with this, any of this relation to be deleted. Likewise, I will be suggested with 25 further options so that I can move with any of the options which I need to make my sketch fully defined, that is getting out of the particular problem. The another thing is I can go with the as it suggested before. I'm just erasing this, that is by accepting this value, I can see the green color. This shows, green color shows it has a valid solution. So automatically the 100 dimensions get deleted in this particular. So again, adding more dimension, again I'm adding 100, again leaving the dimensions driving. When I click the over defined button, it asks me for manual repair too. So when I click manual repair, it suggests me the 25 solutions here. Instead of going for the diagnose option, I can also select manually which option to be chosen. So again this time I can give the distance, this 80 to be deleted. So by selecting this, so I can see whether in this option it suggests me which can be deleted instead of automatically deleting it. That is, in the diagnose option, it deletes a particular dimension which I don't need. In the manual option, it suggests me whether which dimensions to be deleted to make the sketch be fully constrained, or even the relations it will be suggesting it. So I can see distance 80 can be eliminated, the line can be vertical, the relation can be deleted. So this is one of the options we have. Sketch export, that is it comes under the script, that is SolidWorks IntelliFinish technology. By making use of this, we can make the sketch fully defined by arresting the problem of over defined. Thank you.